Remote 360 allows users to be able to receive real-time status updates, receive notifications via mobile device or email, monitor levels of production, and to stay on top of their consumption for all the consumables they are going through on the equipment. Remote 360 will automatically update every 7 to 10 seconds. So from your mobile device or PC or tablet, you're able to see if the machine is currently running, idle, stopped, or has an alarm. In the event that you do have an alarm, but you're not currently looking at the dashboard, the service is able to send a notification via your email or mobile device to inform you of operation being interrupted and allow the user to be more proactive and responsive in the event that the machine is stopped. Remote 360 also allows you to track your levels of production. This requires no input manually by the user, and the data is automatically output from the machine. You can break the data down via daily, weekly, monthly, by shift, and whatever format the user chooses. This will allow the user to see where production time is being lost and to determine what adjustments need to be made to keep your machines more productive. One of the other benefits of Remote 360 is the remote support. This allows our technicians and engineers, when they are assisting customers over the phone, to be able to remotely connect into the machine to make it easier for them to help diagnose and troubleshoot problems, make adjustments to power settings or programs, and perform any screen function as if they are in front of the controller without having to be there.